Hey, hey, hey! Welcome back to Quiz Ninja, the coolest spot for brainy fun and awesome sounds. Today's challenge is guess the smartphone by the ringtone. Think you've got the ears of a tech genius? There are 35 rounds, and you only have 8 seconds to guess each sound. Stay sharp. Some are easy, others will totally mess with your brain. But first, a quick shout out to our amazing fans who dropped their guesses in the last video. You rock! Keep commenting and you'll get featured next time. If you're new here, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and join the coolest quiz ever. Now, let's get started. Here comes the first sound. Which smartphone is this? Nice start. That's the classic Apple sound. Which smartphone is this? Easy one. That's Microsoft. You've definitely heard this one before. That's right, it's Samsung. All right, tech fans, which team are you on? Apple or Samsung? If you're Team Apple, give this video a big thumbs up. But if Samsung is your favorite, hit subscribe and join us for more awesome challenges. Who's ready for the next round? It's Nokia. Old school, but gold. Do you recognize this ringtone? That sound belongs to Xiaomi. You're on fire. Now, let's see if you can spot the odd Xiaomi logo. Zoom in. This one looks different. Okay, listen carefully to this tone. That's the sound of Oppo. What brand makes this sound? You nailed it, Huawei. Memory challenge time. Remember the positions of all logos. Now, where's the Huawei logo? You spotted it in the number 5. Your memory is on point. Can you guess the brand behind this catchy tune? Sony Ericsson. Bet it's been ages since you heard that. Next one loading. Did you get it? Perfect guess! It's LG. This one's a blast from the past. You got it! Classic phone! Can you spot the classic phone hiding somewhere in this super messy room? Aha! There it is! You've got a sharp eye for hidden stuff. Next up, a crazy sound's coming your way. No mistaking that one, it's Crazy Frog. Any guesses? Haha, that's the funny Gabe ringtone. Which ringtone do you prefer? Gabe the dog? Or Crazy Frog? Both are so funny! I really want to know your pick. Drop it in the comments below. Let's move on to the next round. Spot on! BlackBerry! Does that sound familiar?
Hello,
That ringtone's from Hello Kitty.
Hello, Kitty.
Here we go, shuffle time! The phone's moving fast. Are you sharp enough to track Hello Kitty? If you guessed the second one, you totally nailed it. All right, back to the quiz. Listen up. Intex, you're doing awesome. Can you guess this sound? It's Google Pixel. Let's see if you can guess this one. Yup, that's Realme. Nicely done. Check out this illusion. Can you spot the hidden logo hiding inside? It's Micromax logo. Sound check. Fantastic! That's Vivo. Do you know which phone uses this ringtone? Asus! Did you guess right? How about this one? Lenovo it is! Smart guess. It's decision time. Choose your phone case. Hope you didn't pick the third one. Listen close. This one's tricky.
Hello, Moto.
Yes, that's Motorola calling.
Hello, Moto.
Do you know this sound? Nice ear. That's Lava. And this one? Bingo! That's 1 plus. Spot the 3 differences. Can you find them all before time's up? Awesome! 1, 2, 3. You nailed every single one. Let's keep it going. That belongs to Honor. Guess this ringtone. It's definitely HTC. What's your answer for this one? Bang on! That's Infinix. Wow, you crushed it today! How many did you guess right? Drop your score in the comments. If you had fun, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss the next awesome Quiz Ninja challenge. See you next time!